Hi, I'm Richard Felson, Product Manager at TCL Electronics Australia and New Zealand. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Netflix on the TCL Android TV range. Basically, you have a Netflix button on the remote control. So it is one-touch use. You press the button and hey presto, you're in Netflix. So obviously through the TV you can either, if you haven't got a Netflix account, you can actually sign up to Netflix through the TV, or if you have an account, you simply sign in. And here you go, you now have everything that Netflix has to offer. But let me show you another quick trick. So we're going to exit Netflix. So as you may know, TCL does have voice control. All you need to do is this. Hey Google, launch Netflix. How easy is that? You don't even need to touch the remote control. For more exciting tips and tricks about our product, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.